All right, what is up, guys? My name is Rasmus. This is my twin brother, Christian. We quickly just want to talk about the success we've had on YouTube, especially since taking Dan's course, Tube Tycoon. Our lives have literally changed since we started our YouTube channel. It's insane, the power of having a YouTube channel, especially we started like 6 months ago. Well, at this point, it's like 8 months ago. Yeah. Right? And you really do not need a big channel to make a lot of money from your YouTube channel.
Yeah, so what Tube Tycoon has really helped us with was, one, grow the channel like a lot faster than you could ever do on your own, and then two was be able to monetize it. So we've monetized it to the point where we've been, well, first of all, we don't have jobs anymore. That we were able to quit a long time ago, but we've been traveling around the world ever since, living in Hawaii, Thailand, Mexico, Denmark. Now we're in Bali. Can we do a quick 360 of where we're living in Bali?
I just want to say this real quick.
All possible because of our YouTube platform, our online business, and honestly, Tube Tycoon has been the blueprint that's helped us just take everything off.
So we did our very first product launch 5 months after starting a YouTube channel. Look at what happened that day.
Ridiculous.
This was on the first day. That's absolutely insane. It blew my mind when it happened. I was not expecting that, but that really did happen.
And now every time we launch a product, we could launch it and make a lot of money because we have such a powerful platform. And yeah, honestly, Tube Tycoon has just been a massive help.
That's how we learn how to build it the right way.
Yeah, you know? Basically. Build it and monetize it. Like, if you could build a YouTube channel, that's cool, but if you can't monetize it,
who cares?
Yeah, who cares? So yeah, we just quickly want to send this message, make a video, quickly tell you about our success with Tube Tycoon, and yeah, that's it.
You should start your own YouTube channel as well. All right, see you later, guys.